We've got some beautiful fabrics this morning and wonderful prices. So whenever we can in this particular group, I went for $14.99. Now keep in mind that my goal was in this grouping was all about the jacket, Becky's jacket. This is the POM, and I picked out fabrics. A lot of times people will say, what do you suggest? This would be so beautiful in Becky's jacket. This is 100% cotton. It's, well, I'm not sure if it's linen or cotton, but anyway, it's 100%. It burns beautifully. The variegation of this is pink and a white. It's just a really beautiful fabric, a wonderful jacket. It is a woven, there's no stretch to it. This is a really beautiful companion piece. You can see that they just blend together. This is 100% viscose. This is a woven, very, very romantic, very Italian looking fabric. The pinks are just beautiful. This is not a $14.99 price, a little bit higher, but just really beautiful. The feel on this is like a silk. Then this is an Armani, and this is what Armani used to do pants and jackets, so I felt like it would be perfect. Just a solid jacket would be great. No need to do much to this, but it's a 4-ply. It's got great drape and just a little bit left. Beautiful, like a pinky color on that one. And then again, a companion to it. Isn't that beautiful? The muted tones are just incredible. They go all the way across the board. They blend into this cream. So you can really see this is 100% viscose, and this is this Ecovera. This is where we get into this new Italian method where they are making the viscose, instead of using trees, they're using the bottom of the forest. And in that way, they're just not hurting the trees. They're just trying to clean up the forest at the same time make fabrics. It's an incredible, if you have a chance to read about it, it's really a cool technology. It does cost a little bit more, but the goal is to kind of help protect the environment. This is a cotton poly, beautiful fabric. This is a woven. It's kind of like a little bit of a denim. I put it in because it had such a great match with this. It'd be perfect for parts. If you wanted to do a jacket that had parts together, this is 100% cotton. This is a stretch woven. So again, great for a jacket. And you can see where these parts just go together. That has a little bit of sheen to it. It's just a pretty fabric. It's got a really beautiful weave, great basic. You'll just love it. And that's $14.99. This one's $14.99. This one's $14.99. These are a little bit higher. So the goal is at a great price to have happy sewing. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.